Another name for Bohol's chocolate hills. 2, 1.
Toblerone Hills. Unsay una sa una ba? Yo, what up? This is your boy Josh and karon nga gabi natay bagong tryan. Kini ang Geography Quiz Challenge. With the twist ni siya, dili lang ni siya basta-basta na geography quiz. So, it's been pila na ka months? 3 months, 4 months nagikan ko sa quiz, sa regional quiz, sa masks. O karon mag-try ko review. So, wala ko na review nagbasa-basa. So, try ko review through this quiz challenge. And if dili na ko mansiran, butangan nila lipstick ako na.
Yay! Yay!
That's how saklap it is. And sige na! Let's get it on!
Question number 1. It is the town of a clan to which Boracay Island belongs.
1.
Easy! Malay mo!
Kasi correct.
Ikaw!
Ako din.
Naka-record na!
1. 2. Sila na. Miss 3. 1.
Correct! Question number 2. The queen of Philippine fruits. 3, 2,
Durian!
1.
Oy! Yung sa mali ay!
Correct answer! Lanzones!
Naparay corona ang lansunis.
Okay.
君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏
Question number 3. The leading sugar producing province. 3,
Negros Occidental.
2, 1. Correct! Okay, 2 points.
Bago na yung ulo mo.
Question number 4. The tobacco region of the country.
Cagayan. Region 2. Region 2.
1.
Region 2.
No, it's not valid.
Wrong.
Region 2.
No, it's not.
Cagayan Valley.
Oo, gani, Cagayan.
Okay, it's valid.
Bago.
Valid.
Bago
So,
yung-
it's correct.
Maro kayong mga question diri mga choy. Maro kayong mga choy.
Hala, uy, wala ko'y question.
Ha? Choy, wala kay question.
Ah. The romantic name of the Philippines.
3.
Maharlika.
2.
Maharlika. Pearl of the Orient Seas.
The answer is
Pearl of the Orient Seas.
Wrong.
Maharlika.
First answer
Maharlika.
is wrong.
Maharlika.
Pearl of the Orient.
Oh.
Pearl of the Orient. No.
Uy, appeal. Consider.
no, it's not considered.
Cheaters. Sige na lang. Hindi mo sila kagaya mo na to. Kung na ito kagaya to.
Question number 6. Body of water that lies south of the Philippines.
3. 2.
Celebrity.
1.
Correct!
Easy.
Famous as city of pines and city of strawberries.
3.
Bagyo!
2.
Oh my God!
1. Yes.
Correct! The ancient name of Panay.
3.
Aninipay!
2.
Aninipay!
1.
Aninipay!
It's
Correct!
Ina na yung mga choy. Bright kay ko ani choy.
The most popular volcano in Camiguin Island.
3.
Easy nga po kay mga choy.
2.
Muna sa Mount Hibok-Hibok na mga choy. Mount Hibok-Hibok na mga choy.
It's
Correct!
Ano siya?
Okay.
May ilang outro siya na cheat. Cheat pa ganito ko. Harder.
It is where coal and silica can be found in Antique.
3, 2, 1.
Harder.
Correct answer is semi-rara.
Harder. Nako. Hoy, nga no, opel diha. Stus.
That is COVID-19. Because it's called 19 because the virus age is 19 years old.
Western Mindanao's pride, a city of orchids.
3, 2,
Gandian.
1. It's
Wrong!
Hoy! Ito man di ay.
wrong.
Correct answer is Dipolog City.
Dipolog City.
Uy, doon naman na sila.
No!
Doon naman ang pagadian.
Ooh, you're so beautiful.
君の虜になってしまえばきっと
An island known as the birthplace of Islam in the country and where the first Muslim mosque was built.
3,
Sulu.
2, 1. It's
Correct answer is Simonul Island.
Kalimot ko, may mat.
Oops, I don't win, my, hold up. Chukaraga, rhyme with me, but we wanna know one more time.
May mat. The birthplace. Island eh. Sorry. Hindi problem.
A few moments later.
Full makeup. Okay. Yay! Yay! Another name for Bohol's chocolate hills.
3, 2, 1.
Toblerone Hills. Toblerone Hills.
It's wrong.
Hershey Hills.
It's Heiko Hills.
Yung mga chuy, magdautan mo sila chuy. Resort yan lang gikawan sa ko chuy. Parang ba kung nag-review mo, marukin mo. Harder.
How many percent of Filipino blood is Malayan?
3, 2,
40.
1. It's
Correct!
Easy.
Province famous for its ati-atihan.
3, 2, 1.
Antike.
It's
Ay, Aklan. Oh, please consider. Aklan. Nakalimot ko. Loading ako, Aklan. Kalibo Aklan, oh.
Okay.
Nasa Kalibo Aklan, ha?
Okay. Hindi ko na
Pangalan
mag-stop.
pa na kung kuwan niya. Kinsay lang kuwan niya. Lang gino, si Bulalakaw, mga chuy, si Bulalakaw lang.
The province in central Mindanao named after a Muslim hero.
3,
Sultan Kudarat na, me.
1. It's
Sultan Kudarat.
correct.
Sultan Kudarat, mga chuy. Atik-atik raw itong uban, mga chuy, pero agad yung cancer na to. Pero salamat sa pagtanaw. I hope nalingaw mo, bahalag sa adjot nga oras. I know it's not perfect, pero I hope nga ginatiwas ninyo ang video og lantaw because we're making the best efforts in it. And kana, I hope na mo'y nakatunan. So ilista na to ninyo yung nakatunan. So yeah, this is your boy Josh. Babush!
Hi everything!